Hello and welcome back to
Mr. Grammio English, the podcast for beginners who want to sound more natural. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. And today we have that's a really fun and super useful topic. We are talking about shadowing.
Shadowing. I like that. It sounds a bit mysterious, doesn't it?
It does, but trust us, it is probably one of the best ways to improve your speaking and your pronunciation.
Exactly. So what is it? Well, it's all about listening and speaking pretty much at the same time. You become the speaker's shadow.
Right, so you listen to a native speaker, like us, and you try to copy exactly what we say as we're saying it.
You copy everything.
Everything. The words, the speed, the rhythm, the intonation. You know, the way our voices go up and down.
And it feels a little strange at first, doesn't it? But it is so amazing for your pronunciation. It literally helps your mouth make the English sounds correctly.
Totally. And please don't worry about being perfect. This is just practice. The goal is simply to try, okay? So, shall we give it a go?
Yes, let's do it. So here's how it will work. We are going to have a short, simple conversation. We will say one line, and then we will leave a pause for you to repeat it.
Listen and then speak. We'll start nice and slow. I'll go first. Hey, Emma. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, Ryan. How about you?
I'm great. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I think I will just relax at home. Maybe watch a movie.
That sounds nice. I want to go to the park on Saturday.
Oh, the park is a good idea. Is the weather going to be nice?
The forecast says yes. It should be sunny. Do you want to come with me?
Yes, I would love to. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 2 p.m. at the main entrance.
Perfect. See you on Saturday.
Great job, everyone. That was the slow version.
Now, let's try it again. This time, we will speak at a more natural, everyday speed. The pauses for you to repeat will be shorter. Just do your best.
Ready? Let's go. Hey, Emma, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, Ryan. How about you?
I'm great. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I think I will just relax at home. Maybe watch a movie.
That sounds nice. I want to go to the park on Saturday.
Oh, the park is a good idea. Is the weather going to be nice?
The forecast says yes. It should be sunny. Do you want to come with me?
Yes, I would love to. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 2 p.m. at the main entrance.
Perfect. See you on Saturday. Okay, wow, that was much faster. How did everyone do?
Yeah, and even if you only caught a few words, that's a win. Let's look at one phrase. How about you?
Oh, good one. Notice he didn't say, how about you? In natural speech, it sounds more like, how about you?
Exactly. The words connect together. That's what shadowing helps you to hear and to practice saying.
And here's a quick tip from me. When you practice shadowing, find a quiet space where you won't feel, shy or embarrassed.
That is a great tip. And my tip is don't just read the words, really listen. Close your eyes if it helps, and just focus on the music of the language.
The music of the language. I love that. And that's really all for today's lesson on shadowing.
Yeah, it's such a simple idea, but it's so powerful. The more you do it, we promise, the more natural your English will sound.
Totally. So give it a try this week. You can even use this episode to practice again and again.
Thanks so much for listening to Mr. Grammio English.
Be sure to follow us for more easy and fun lessons. Until next time, happy learning.
Bye, everyone.